You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this phrase from Hebrew? A Jewish solidarity anthem. The people of Israel live. The meaning is, the people of Israel live. Am Yisrael Chai. Am Yisrael Chai. Or in English you could say it as Am Yisrael Chai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.